Hi everyone, welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to draw an orangutan. So let's make a start. Let's draw the face. So they've got quite wide faces. Bring that all the way around there. Just stop near the bottom. And this bit's like a love heart, so just like a squashed love heart. Bring it round and just stop. I'm going to leave a gap and that'll make sense in a minute. Next I'm going to do the nose and mouth area. Bring that down to there. Join it up to where I've left the gap. And then put in a shaggy beard. They often look like old men sat in their forests. So put some nostrils in. And a big friendly smile. And two eyes. So put the first one in there. Second one. And some eyeballs, I think. There we go, so he can see us and say hello. They have these kind of baggy eyes, so we're putting these bags under the eyes here. And I'm going to start on the shaggy hair. They're very shaggy creatures. They have big hairy bodies and spend a lot of time up trees, so they tend to have quite matted hair. And let's put some detail on that so it looks a bit more hairy. And then we need to put the shoulders and body in. They're quite big creatures, and so I'm going to start the shoulders quite high up, and I'm going to try and make the arms look like they're a little bit hairy, so I'm doing them jaggedy like this. Bring them all the way round, and these are going to make the arms in a minute. So bring that round and do the top of the arm. There we go. And join it up. So that's just the arm. I'll do the fingers in a minute. I've got a little trick to show you for that. So do the other arm here. Bring that up. Bring this next one down. And there we go, two arms. But where are the fingers? So I'm going to do the fingers like they're interlacing and like they're locked together. So the way I'll do it, start with the thumb, bring it back on itself. And it's almost like drawing S's. And there you can see, like, suddenly it looks like he's locked his fingers. They often look like they're sitting and thinking in their jungles in Borneo and Sumatra, like they're really thinking about something. So there we go. Let's bring the body down. They're often sat in a bit of a kind of heavy lump, so we want to get some of that weight into this. And for the feet, they have smaller feet, so I'm going to just copy the way I did the hands, make it look like they're just slightly behind the hands there, so the feet just go in. And then I'm going to join this body up. There we go. And do the other side. So there we go. It looks like he's sat, looking very relaxed there. Putting some detail to make him look a bit more shaggy and hairy. There we go. So we've got our orangutan, and now we need to put him in his jungle. So let's put some jungle grasses that he's sat amongst here. Maybe, let's see, some leaves that have fallen from the canopy layer. There we go. Maybe, let's think. We could put some big tropical palm tree leaves in here. And the way I do these is put sort of splits in them. They're quite sharp at the end, and they've got these sharp splits in them. There we go, that looks like a palm tree. Do some from the top up here as well. And if I'm going too fast, like I always say, just hit pause, catch up, and then hit play again. another palm leaf in. There we go. So that looks starting to look a bit more jungly now. There we go. Okay, and one up the top here. Kind of frames in quite well, putting them in from the corners like that. Now, what else could we put in here? Maybe one coming in there like that. And another leaf on the bottom there. Some vines coming from the top, that'd be good. They tend to spend their days swinging from vines. So there we go, put some of those in the background. That's looking good. Yeah, he looks very happy sat there. Can have a good swing on those later. So I think that's it. I think we're done for the day, and there's your orangutan. And remember, you can always colour in your orangutan, and you can add details like these little ants at the bottom as well. And you don't feel you have to copy my picture exactly as it is. You can make your jungle look different. You can make the face on your orangutan look a little bit different as well. I've just put some little ants down here. One of them's holding a leaf, and there's a few more. You tend to find them in jungles, carrying leaves and busying their day. But yeah, there's the picture for today. I hope you've enjoyed drawing it. Remember, you can colour yours in as well, which will take a bit more time, but obviously you can then put your picture up on the fridge or on the in your bedroom and be really proud of it. But yeah, we're done for the day. So thanks for following. Remember to subscribe, and you'll know when I put another video on. I'm trying to do a few more of these in the coming days. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Hopefully I'll do another one soon. Okay, bye for now.